Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about vanilla Visa debit gift cards, and more specifically, we're going to answer the question on how to use a vanilla gift card online. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with the vanilla Visa debit gift card, it's definitely one of the more popular gift cards on the market right now. Basically all it is you just buy these little cards at a local retailer. Once you buy the card, then you can load cash onto it one time. It's not reloadable. Once you've done that, then you can usually use it at most places that accept debit Visa, which is most places these days. But how do you use your vanilla gift card online? That's what we're going to talk about. This is going to be a really short video, guys. Not a lot of steps involved in this, so be sure to stick around to the end. So these cards, once you've activated them, then they're usually good to go. However, they're only good to use at a store, so swiping at a terminal in a physical location. In order to use it online for online purchases, you do need to register a zip code, and that's what we're going to go over. So you do need to go to this website right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. And also you can go ahead and flip over your vanilla gift card, and then I can assure you it's kind of small, but you can see it right there. The website is vanillagift.com. Your website might be different, so just be sure to use the back of your card. You can also call the 1-800 number to set this card up to use online as well. I don't like to do that. I usually just like to go through the website. It's a little bit easier. But once you're here on the website, what you want to do is go ahead and click on this, check your balance. Now, in order to use your vanilla Visa debit gift card online, they don't make it clear and easy to figure it out, but just follow these steps. Click on check your balance. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're here, then you'll want to go ahead and enter your 16-digit vanilla Visa debit gift card number, expiration date, and security code. So I'm going to enter that information in off screen now. Okay, I went ahead and entered in all of the required information. Next, you want to click on the sign in button here. I'm going to click there now. All right, so I went ahead and logged in, and then as you can see, I have $25 on my vanilla Visa debit gift card. Now the thing is, guys, they don't make it clear and easy on how to set up your card to use online. So just be sure to follow these steps. First thing you want to do is click on this line right here, balance and transactions. I'm going to click there now. All right, next this drop down menu happens where you can go ahead and assign a zip code. That's where you want to click, because in order to make a purchase online with your vanilla Visa debit gift card, you do need to have a zip code registered. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're here, then you want to go ahead and click on this button down here, either add zip code or edit zip code. I'm going to click there now. All right, once this pops up, you'll go ahead and enter the zip code and then click save. I've already registered a zip code, so I'm going to leave that the same. Now you might be wondering or asking yourself, what about the rest of the address and what about the name on the card? Well, the nice thing is a lot of times online retailers are only going to check the zip code. And if they are asking for an address that goes along with it, just be sure to put the address that goes along with that zip code. As far as names, that doesn't really matter too much because they're not going to verify the name most of the time. So you can just use any name. However, if you need to call back in to check on whatever it is you're buying online, you might want to go ahead and use your real name, and that way it's easy to pull up that order based off your name. So once you've registered a zip code, then you would be able to use the vanilla Visa debit gift card online at most retailers. However, I have encountered a couple of different issues where you cannot use this vanilla Visa debit gift card. So places like Cash App or Venmo, they don't allow you to use a gift card. However, if you're going to be purchasing something online at say Nike.com, then this should work for you no problem at all once you've registered a zip code. So there you have it. That is how you use a vanilla Visa gift card online. Really easy. Just register a zip code through that website. You can also go through the 1-800 number if you feel like sitting on hold. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.